So here is another question on quadratic equations solving through quadratic formula method. So the equation is 15x square minus 28 is equal to x, and we have to solve it through quadratic formula method. So first we'll write the equation, which is 15x square minus 28 is equal to x. Okay, this is not in the proper quadratic equation format, so that implies 15x square minus x minus 28 is equal to 0. This is the given quadratic equation. Okay, now if we compare it with the standard quadratic equation format, that is ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0, we will have a is equal to 15, b is equal to minus 1, and c is equal to minus 28. Okay, this. So here the two roots of the quadratic equation will be alpha and beta, it will be equal to minus b plus minus b square minus 4ac by 2a. This is equal to minus b, that is equal to minus 1 plus minus b square, is minus 1 square, minus 4ac, 4 into 15 into minus 28 by 2a, which is equal to 2 into 15. So this is equal to 1 plus minus 1 square, which is equal to 1, and 4 into 15, that is equal to how much? 60. 60 into 28, it is equal to 1680. Okay, plus 1680, and by this is equal to 30. So it is equal to 1 plus minus over 1681 by 30. So root over of 1681 is equal to 41. Okay, so you can determine through standard square root determination method. So it is equal to 41. So 1 plus minus root over of 41 by 30. So this is equal to root over of 41 into 41. So this is only 41. Okay, sorry. So it's 41. Okay, this. So the two roots are 1 minus 41 by 30 and 1 plus 41 by 30. So it is equal to minus 40 by 30 and 42 by 30. So here, so minus 4 by 3, and here it is, if we cancel it through 6 is 5, and this is 7. Okay, 7 by 5. So the two roots of the quadratic equation, they are, one is minus 4 by 3 and the other one is equal to 7 by 5. Okay, so these are the two roots of the quadratic equation. Okay, so here the challenging part was just 1681, okay, a big number square root. So standard square root determination technique, divide by 2 on the appropriate things, you can get the square root of 1681 is equal to 41. Okay, so this is the thing. So here is another question on solving quadratic equations through quadratic formula method. So here the quadratic equation is 2x square plus 5 root 3x plus 6 is equal to 0. So here first we'll write the quadratic equation is 2x square plus 5 root 3x plus 6 is equal to 0. This is the given quadratic equation. On comparing it with the standard format of quadratic equation, which is equal to ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0, we have a is equal to 2, b is equal to 5 root 3 and c is equal to 6. Okay, so now the two roots of the quadratic equation, it can be determined using the quadratic formula, which is equal to minus b plus minus root over of b square minus 4ac. B square minus 4ac is called as the discriminant t, so by 2a this. So now we'll just simply substitute the values. So minus 5 root 3 plus minus here 5 root 3 whole square minus 4 to 2 into c, which is equal to 6 by 2a, which is equal to 2 into 2. So this is equal to minus 5 root 3 plus minus root over of 5 root 3 whole square is 5 into 5 is 25, root 3 whole square is 3, so 25 into 3 is 75. 75 minus, this is 4 into 2, 8 into 6, 48. 75 minus 48 by 4. Which is equal to minus 5 root 3 plus minus root over of, this is 27 by 4. So this is equal to minus 5 root 3 plus minus root over of 27 is 3 root 3. 3 into 3, 9 into 3, 27. So it is 3 root 3 by 4. So this is equal to, here the two roots are, one is minus 5 root 3 plus 3 root 3 by 4. Another one is minus 5 root 3 minus 3 root 3 by 4. So this is equal to minus 2 root 3 by 4, and this is equal to minus 8 root 3 by 4. It's 2 and here it is 2. So the two roots, they are, first one is minus root 3 by 2, let's call it alpha, and the second one, the second root is equal to minus 2 root 3. Okay, these are the two roots of the quadratic equation. Okay, minus root 3 by 2 and minus 2 root 3. Sorry, this is minus 2 root 3. minus 2 root 3. Okay, so this is the thing. So here is another question on solving quadratic equations through quadratic formula method. So the quadratic equation is given root 2x square plus 7x plus 5 root 2 is equal to 0. So we have to solve it through quadratic formula method. So first let us write the quadratic equation. Root 2x square plus 7x plus 5 root 2 is equal to 0. This is the quadratic equation. Comparing it with the standard format, ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. We have a is equal to root 2, b is equal to 7, c is equal to 5 root 2. So now the values of the two roots of the quadratic equation, they can be determined by using the quadratic formula approach. So the two values are the two roots minus b plus minus root over of b square minus 4ac by 2a. So it is equal to minus b, that is minus 7, plus minus b square, that is 7 square minus 4ac, 4 into root 2 into 5 root 2 by 2a equal to 2 root 2. This is equal to minus 7 plus minus 49 minus 5 into 4 is 20 into 2, that is 49 minus 40. Okay, this is 40. 5 into 4 20, 20 into 2 40, yes, by 2 root 2. So this is equal to minus 7 plus minus root over of 9. 49 minus 40 will be equal to 9. Root over of 9 is equal to 3. So directly I am writing minus 7 plus minus 3 by 2 root 2. So here there will be two values. Okay, the two values of one is minus 7 minus 3 by 2 root 2 and minus 7 plus 3 by 2 root 2. This will be equal to minus 10 by 2 root 2. So 210 will be minus 5. So it will be equal to minus 5 by root 2. And here this will be equal to minus 4 by 2 root 2. So it is equal to minus 2, and this will be equal to minus root 2. So this is equal to minus root 2. So the two roots, they are minus 5 by root 2, let's call it alpha, and the other one is minus root 2, let's call it beta. These are the two roots of the quadratic equation, minus 5 by root 2 and minus root 2. Okay, so this